Okay. Went and got my kid. I'm like on freaking cloud nine, man. This is so cool. So I figured, hey, what the heck, right? Make a video because that's what we do when we're excited, right? Check it. Hold up. So yeah, it's really hard to capture what the naked eye sees on the camera, but it's just crazy. When you seen me pop the throttle, that's when we're pulling off of transition slot fuel, and it's atomizing. So it goes to a vapor. It's almost a vapor, but not quite, because since it's a non-heat soaked manifold, it's still going to be liquid form, so we're not doing any evaporation. So you're still seeing the flash of brightness that was actually, fuel pulled out of the transition slot. So yeah, I literally just got this thing fired up because got it timed, because I got a couple carburetors to run. But boy, I tell you what, that is just neat, man. No matter, I don't care who's done it and who's it's a has been, this and that, but that right there, I'm sure I'm excited like a little kid in a candy store. And that pulse right there is all cylinders pulling idle fuel. Boom. How do you, man, that is just cool. All right, I'm done. Later.